Alright, y'all. I am here to post vacuum. I just carpet cleaned this last night, only it was with the Hoover steam vac in there. So I figured I'd post vacuum it with the tornado because I know a lot of y'all like the tornado. Um, I know this one guy keeps saying that these are not good vacuums, but I'm pretty sure. Like, you know who you are. I'm pretty sure you got a dud, man. Because this one I've used on many types of cleanups. Here, let's go ahead and get started. It's pretty quiet. Not loud at all. Because this one I've used on several types of cleanups. I've used it on post-construction cleanups. I've used it to clean the shop rugs at the waste management office building. I've used it to clean up a school, a Montessori school. It's just served me really well. Let's go ahead and move the concept over here. Because I've seen a lot of trash that I didn't want to pick up with a carpet cleaner. Another thing I would like to point out is some people have told me that post vacuuming is not actually that important. Like, you could go without it. Well, yes, you could go without it, without doing it. It actually does more than you think. Like, you would want to do this, because post vacuuming, whatever your vacuum didn't get up before, it will get up now because the extractor has loosened up a lot of dirt. No doubt. I'm just making sure I do a good job here because post vacuuming, you want to do a good job and all that. I would have used that Bissell, but right now I think it's got a full bag. Well, not a full bag, it just has something in it that's plugging the hole. Concept over again. repeating motions here, but I'm just trying to do insurance here. Like, ensure that I get this well done. And there it is. I hope y'all enjoyed that. Tell me how y'all liked it. Tell me what y'all want to see. I'll see what I can do, how I can do it, and when I can do it, and if I can do it. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more videos like this one, as well as other types of vacuum content like mess tests, ASMR mess tests, and all that. And I will, of course, take any requests, because the only thing that I won't do is vacuum destruction, because if someone wants me to do vacuum destruction, then they're going to have to pay to see that. So, until next time, bye.